Hello and welcome to the Inspire Academy, Elementary English, Unit 12. My name is Sarah, and today we're going to talk about building a sentence. What you will learn in Unit 12 is parts of a sentence, positive sentences, negative sentences, and contractions. Parts of a sentence. Parts of a sentence are the subject, the verb, and the complement. So, for example, I am teaching. The subject is I, the verb is am, the complement is teaching. You are learning. The subject is you, the verb is are, the complement is learning. So the subject answers the question who or what before the verb. Who or what is this sentence about? The subject performs the action. For example, Maria plays volleyball. The subject is Maria. The verb is an action or state of a subject. What does Maria do? She plays. Or, how is Maria? She is happy. Or, she feels great. Feels is a verb. Plays is a verb. Complement. A complement tells you more about the sentence. It answers questions like what or whom after the verb. Andy hit the ball. What did Andy hit? The ball. Sarah is my teacher. Who is your teacher? Sarah. Jamila is smart. Jamila is what? Jamila is smart. Maria, look at the colors. They correspond with the part of the sentence. Maria is in green. It is the subject. Plays is a verb. Volleyball is the complement. Maria plays volleyball. She feels great. Sarah is my teacher. Jamila is smart. Positive sentences is the subject plus the verb plus the object. I have a surfboard. You eat an apple. He loves chocolate. Negative sentence. All you need to do is before the verb and after the subject add does not or doesn't. And later on we'll learn about changing the verb to show negativity as well. So for example, I do not have a surfboard. You do not eat an apple. He does not love chocolate. For a negative sentence, the word do, so for do not, for a negative sentence, the word do in do not changes to does. So it would be for the pronouns he, she, and it. So he does not, she does not, it does not. But for all other pronouns, the verb goes back to normal. I do not, you do not, we do not. So, contractions in a sentence. Contractions make some words in a sentence smaller. Contractions are used a lot in everyday speech. I do not have a surfboard. I don't have a surfboard. You do not eat apples. You don't eat apples. He does not love chocolate. He doesn't love chocolate. The next part is an example of this. Let's let's take a selfie. No, I don't like selfies. I don't like pictures. I don't look good. Okay, fine. I'll take my own selfie. I can take my own. Knowledge check. What is missing in the sentence? What in each sentence is missing? Is it the subject? Is it the verb? Or is it the complement? Blank is going to the store. Mary is happy. He likes chocolate. Ali does not like surfing. Anna is traveling to Jamaica. Anna is looking for her keys. Can you fill out the blanks with different missing words? So what is missing? The subject is missing in the first question. The subject is going to the store. The complement is missing in the second one. Ali does not like blank. The complement is missing. The complement would be something like chocolate or driving or anything that somebody doesn't like. Mary is happy. That's the verb. The verb is missing. Or Mary feels happy. The verb is missing. Blank is traveling to Jamaica. Anna is traveling to Jamaica. The subject is missing. He likes surfing. He likes what? He likes surfing. So the complement is missing. Anna is looking for her keys. The verb is missing. What is Anna doing? What is the action? Anna is looking for her keys. The verb is missing from this sentence. Let's do another knowledge check. Choose the correct answers for each picture. She wants to listen. She doesn't want to listen. She is singing and dancing. She isn't singing and dancing. He can look. He can't look. He wants to eat that burger. He does not want to eat that burger. And the answers are: she doesn't want to listen. He can't look. She is singing and dancing. He wants to eat that burger. Review of sentences. We reviewed parts of a sentence, positive sentences, negative sentences, and contractions. Make sure you do the exercises in your booklet for practice. Have a great day and see you soon.